Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about conditionals. Conditionals that we traditionally call if clauses. When you talk about if clauses, you have a clause that starts with the word if. That's why we call them as if clauses. Then you have another part that is called as main clause. For example, if you have a sentence, if you work hard, you will succeed. So this sentence has two parts. If you work hard, comma, this is one part. This is called as if clause because it's introduced by if. Then you have you will succeed. This is the main clause. This if clause is a subordinate clause because it does not carry a complete sense. If you work hard, you need to add something to this clause so as to make its meaning more clear. So if you work hard, you will succeed. Now here we have a table. We have two parts, if clause, then a main clause. In the if clause, you have a condition, and in the main clause, you have a result. When you talk about if clauses, if there is V1 or present form of verb in the if clause, at the same time, you need to have will plus V1, will plus first form of verb. Example, if you work hard, look at the example. The verb form here is work. It is V1 or the base form of verb or dictionary entry, or we call it as lemma as well. Then you have you will succeed. Here you have will plus first form. This is what the table suggests. V1 in the if clause and at the same time will plus V1 in the main clause will succeed. And if you talk about, this is called as first conditional or probable conditional. Then you have improbable conditional, second conditional. And there you have in the if clause you have V2, that is the past form or the second form that we say traditionally, we call it second form, the second form of verb. You have V2, that is work is V1, worked is V2. If you worked hard, and at the same time when you have V2 here, you have would plus V1, would succeed, would plus V1. So if you worked hard, you would succeed. And here you have if you work hard, you will succeed. This is probable conditional. Second conditional is improbable conditional. Then you have third conditional, that is past improbable conditional. Had plus V3 or past participle. If you had worked hard, had plus V3 had worked, you would have succeeded. Here in the main clause you have would plus have plus V3, that is would plus have plus succeeded. So if you had worked hard, you would have succeeded. Let's take some more examples. For example, if you go there, go is V1. So in the main clause, you need to use will plus first form of V1. If you go there, you will see him. You will see him. Will plus V1. And the same sentence can be changed. We can make improbable conditional. So all you have to change is the verb form. So go, it will be changed into went. So if you went there, comma, so V2 here, now you have to use would plus V1 instead of will plus V1. So if you go there, you will see him. If you went there, you would see him. Would plus V1, you would see him. V1 means first form of verb. Then you have had plus V3, if you had gone. Had gone. So go, then went, then had gone. And here, you would have seen him. You would have seen him. So we have three conditionals. First conditional or probable conditional in the if clause, V1, and at the same time in the main clause, will plus V1. Second conditional or improbable conditional, V2 in the if clause, would plus V1 in the main clause. And third conditional or past improbable conditional, had plus V3 or past participle in the if clause and would have plus V3 in the main clause. Thank you.